Hey guys, Nick here at the EDC around the world. And a while ago, JP and I were experimenting around making some of these cute little Altoid tin survival kits slash tool kits, just little handy kits to have around. And JP and I were talking and we're like, we should revisit that and make a little EDC kit. So this is Nick's version of a modern, I guess it's a modern take on the Altoid's everyday carry kit. And these are just items that I keep reaching for. So within the last week and a half, what kind of stuff was I using? I wanted to make a nice little backup kit you could throw out in your living room, like on your side table, or in a drawer, or in your glove box. So this is what I ended up coming up with. So let's start pulling these items out, talk about them. Mini Bic Lighter. I was having to burn some threads and stuff like that, doing some little bit amateur leather work, and I kept looking all over the place for a little mini Bic Lighter. I was like, that's gotta go in the kit. Burt's Bees Chapstick, winter here in Nebraska. Well, it's supposed to be spring, but what's winter? Basically big old snowstorms. I was looking all over the place for a chapstick, and my kids were looking for it. Just toss this in there. It's really nice to have. Leatherman. I always have a Leatherman with me, except for when I'm not wearing my belt. And when I don't have my belt, I don't have my Leatherman. So this little Leatherman Squirt PS4 has been around, and this is the plier version if you guys are wondering. Handy little tool. Sometimes pulling a needle through really tight or stubborn leather, sometimes you have to grab it, pinch it, pull it through, and if you do that quite a bit, it's really tough on your fingers. So this little Squirt PS4 made it in there. It's got some other stuff in there like scissors and nail files and a little knife. Nice opening packages. So that definitely made the cut. Flashlights. Sometimes, you don't have your flashlight with you. So it's nice to have a little mini backup light. Now this is the Olight I1R EOS. And this is actually a cool little light. So unscrews right up here. Top of it comes off. It's got a micro USB little recharging port right there. So of course I tossed in a cable to charge it, because what gets a light if it's dead, So having a little micro USB cord. This is also really nice because most of my battery banks get charged by a micro USB cord, and one of my cameras does, and my wife's phones, and some of my old phones do as well. So nice to have a micro USB cord. This is just an Olight, nice flat little cable. Fits in here picture perfect. I absolutely love this little setup. And if I use it, I got a cord to recharge it right away. So really handy. Like this kit a lot. I'm not gonna lie. So of course a pen, right? And this is a Fisher Space Pen. This is a bullet Fisher Space Pen. It's an old one. I've had this for a long time. This brass is all patinaed out. And I like the Fisher Space Pens because they write on a bunch of different types of material. Like even just some of this leather right here. It'll take and draw and write on that, no problem. So absolutely love these little pens as I'm trashing this out. And the kit is just super simple. It's not overloaded, it's not too much stuff, and it's really practical gear that I use all the time. So if you had to build one of these kits, comment section below, let JP and I know what you would toss into your Altoids kit, right? So this is my version of it. It's proven to be super handy. There's also a little bit of this gaffer's tape here on the back. I kind of converted over to gaffer's tape just because it doesn't leave as bad of a sticky residue on my camera equipment and other items that I tape on. So that's what I got. Hopefully you have enjoyed this video, and let JP and I know what you guys would do in your kit. If you're watching this video, go down there, check those comments as well. Hopefully it generates some ideas and makes your life a little bit easier. I'll catch you guys later.